3c plus 4d equals minus 9. 4c plus 5d equals minus 11. We want to solve these equations, these two equations, using the elimination method in simultaneous equation. First and foremost, what is simultaneous equation? It is equation involving the solving of two equations together. Simultaneously means together at the same time. You solve two equations together. So from here we have 3c plus 4d equals minus 9, and we have this second equation. This is the equation 1, and this is the second equation, which is equation 2. I want to solve it through the elimination method. We have three different methods of solving a simultaneous equation. We have the first one, which is the substitution method. We have the elimination method, and we have the graph method. So here we're using the elimination method, and we'll use other methods as time goes on. So from here, we want to do the elimination method. Elimination means removing, cancelling. We want to cancel out part of this equation. So from here, for you to cancel out any part of this equation, you have to look at the coefficient of that. So if you look at this equation, the first one and the second one, you want to cancel anyone, if whether C or D, you can cancel any letter out of it. So for you to cancel anyone, if it's the C you want to cancel, you look at the coefficient. This is 4, this is 3. You can't cancel. For it to cancel, it must be the same. The coefficient must be the same. This is 4, this is 5. You can't cancel it. The coefficient of the letters must be the same. The letters you want to cancel. So how do you now make this coefficient the same? If you want to cancel C, how do you make this coefficient, the first equation and the second equation of the C, the same, the coefficient of the C the same, or the D, how do you make it the same? So imagine we want to cancel this C. We want to cancel this C out, and we have 3 here, we have 4 here. How do we make these two equations the same? So from here we can multiply by 4, and from here we can multiply by 3 to make them the same. So multiply all through this first equation by 4, multiply all through this second equation by 3. So from here we have 3 times 4, that's 12c. Here 4 times 4, that's 16d, equals 4 times minus 9, that's minus 36. So from here for the second equation, 4 times 3, that's 12c, plus 3 times 5d, that's 15d, equals 3 times minus 11, that's minus 33. That's minus 33, right? All right, so now we have the same coefficient at the C. Here C is 12, here C is also 12. So how do we cancel it? So here we have the symbol of C. The symbol here is plus. We have plus and plus here. So how do we now strike it out? How do we now eliminate this out? By what? Minusing the second equation from the first equation. We have to minus this second equation from the first equation so that this particular one will be eliminated. So if you have to say 12 plus 12, this is plus 12 minus plus 12. So this minus and plus gives us minus, so 12 minus 12 gives us 0, so it is cancelled out. That's why this one gets cancelled out. So from here we have 16d minus 15d, minus plus 15d. Minus and plus gives us minus, so it still gives us d. And here minus 36 minus minus 33. So from here minus 36 minus minus 33. So the minus and minus here gives us plus. So D is equal minus 36 plus 33. So from here, minus 36 plus 33, D is equal minus 3. So this D now becomes minus 3. Then we substitute it in any of these equations, either the first one, the second one, even the third one, and the fourth one. We can substitute it in any equation. So from here we say substitute the D equals minus 3 in equation 1. So this is equation 1. I want to substitute D equals minus 3 in that equation. So from here we write out the equation 3c plus 4d equals minus 9, and then we make D minus 3. 3c plus 4, instead of D we write minus 3 equals minus 9. Then 3c plus 4 times minus 3 gives us minus 12 equals minus 9. 3c Plus times minus gives us minus 12 equals minus 9. Then we make C we collect like terms, make C the subject of the formula. 3C equals minus 9. This is minus 12. When it crosses over, it turns to plus 12. 3C is equal to 9 minus 9 plus 12. That's the same thing as 12 minus 9, which is 3. Then we want to make C, we divide both sides by the coefficient of C, which is 3. 3 here, divide, cancel. C equals 3 divided by 3, 1. So our D is minus 3, our C is 1. And you can check your equation. So you say C, let's take this equation for example. So C is 1, that's 3 times 1, right? Plus 4 is minus 3, plus D is minus 3, that's 4 minus 3 is equals minus 9. So if you can see, 3 times 1, 3, right? Plus 4 times minus 3, that's minus 12, equals minus 9. So from here, 12, 3 minus 12, because plus times minus gives us minus, 3 minus 12 gives us minus 9. So minus 9 equals minus 9. So it means we are correct in this equation. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it to people you think might need it. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.